Third game, kuya na ako pressure shirt. Tumira wala. Passes to kuya number 06. Tapawan, shot wala. Coach Mag. Passes to number 12. Passes to number 4. Takes a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya. Coach Kit. Number 15. Nakuha ni
Ay, sayang.
Coach Mag. Dribble the ball. Umataas sa gitna. Wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Step back para wala. Turnover. Number 15, naagawan ni number 12. Number 12, umatake, pinasa sa sarili. Nakuha ni pinaka-pressure tumira pero wala nakuha ni Coach Kit. Crosses the court, passes to number 6, Tapawan, takes the shot, 2 boards. Passes to Coach Mag. Fakes Desi, passes to Pinasando, bump, takes a shot, wala nakuha ni Coach Kit. Tito Gaming takes a shot, wala nakuha ni Coach Max. Screen move, at libre, wala nakuha ni number 4. Number 4, shot goal, passes to number 6 to number 15, takes a shot, wala na ko ni Coach Mavs to kuha na compression to number 4. Number 4, save, good ball. To number 12, Manalo to kuha na Casando, takes the 3 points, wala na ko ni Tito Gaming, pass to number 4. Take a shot, wala nakuha ni Kuya Nakasando. Kasi na court, at umatake. 2 steps, takes a shot, 2 points. Number 4, crosses the court. Sets a play. Passes to Coach Kit. Fake pass, umatake sa gitna, napakalaki. Pass to Tito Gaming. Wala. To Coach Mavs, lumatake, high pick up, 2 points. Ayun, pata. Number 4, floater, wala nakuha ni Coach Kit. Number 4, submit, takes the layup, 2 points. Napagaling doon.
Jake, doon ako. Ayayin sila. Punta ko pre.
Para sa atin ay 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 15, spin move, passes to Kuya Tapawan. Takes a shot, easy 2 points.
Handaan niya ba ito?
Oh! Explosive plus shifty move. Passes to Kuya number 12 pero wala nakuha ni Kuya Tapawan to Tito Gaming. Bomb! Wala nakuha ni number 12 for the rebound. Passes to Coach Mavs. Passes to Kuya na compression, takes the shot. Wala nakuha ni number 4. Passes to Tito Gaming. Oh, what a pass to number 15. 2 points. Chemistry. Bump. Ay, nabitawan ng bola. Pero naka-recover. Bumps na lahat. At inikot-ikot. Take the shot. 2 points. Toro-toro na.
Katawan lang yung malaki. Victor, malaki matigas.
Igot-igot na. Number 4 passes to number 15. Sa dress. 2 points. Coach Miles. Pass to. Who's that? When I'm compression short. Compression short. Coach Gidemes. Setting up a play. Pass to. Green number 4. Pinakamagaling mag-uno. Lubrera. Pero nagawan sa mid. Number 4. Nahampas. Recover the ball to Coach Mab. Sumobra ng konti pero nakaroon. Oh! Wala na ko ni Kuya Tapawan. Number 6. Bump. Two points. Pero di lang daw po kante. Number 4, pass to Coach Kit. Takes the shot. Ooh, 2 points. Number 12. Pass to number 4, fakes. Pass to number 12, number 12. Passes to cross court, pass to compression shirt. At nabitawan.
Compression. Daming pangalan ni Joji dyan ah. Daming pangalan.
Coach Mabs passes to Kuya napakalaki ng katawan. Bounce to Coach Mabs sa tres. Wala na ako ni Coach Kit. Coach Kit. Long pass to number 15. Number 15. Nabitawan na bola. Number 15. Nadulas. Passes to Tito Gaming. Takes a shot. Wala na ako ni number 4 for the rebound to Kuya napakalaki ng katawan. At umatake na at gumamit na at 4. Tumira. Wala na ako ni Maselman. Speed move. Take a oh my God, 2 points. Banayad play.
Okay, Joji.
Number 4.
Oras.
Last 1 minute for this game. At nakuha ni Coach Miles giving the ball. Slides the mid. Drop pass to Kuya naka-compression. Wala na ako ni best point guard 2. Kuya Tito Gaming. Wala. Nabitawan.
Galing umasa.
Last 35 seconds.
Hindi nga pagkanta. Malay ka tangang kayo.
Number 4, takes a shot pero wala na ako ni Tito Gaming 2. Number 6, top 1. Number 6, top guard. 2 points. Coach Kit. Ay, Coach Mons pala. Passes to compression shirt. Wala na ako ni Coach Kit. Magkalaman pala yun. Coach Kit, wait na daw sa play pero umatahan na sa mid. Passes to Kuya Tabawa to Tito Gaming. Takes a shot. Wala.
Oras. Timer, pare. 5.
Ha?
Timer na. Last shot.
Last shot na po. Number 4, wala. 3, 2, 1.
Mike, pare, Mike.